In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check creation date Google Docs. If you've ever needed to confirm when a document was first made, Google Docs gives you a simple way to find that information in just a few clicks. This can be helpful if you're organizing files, tracking document history, or just verifying when something was originally created. To get started, open the Google Doc you want to check. Make sure you're inside the actual document, not just viewing it from your Google Drive file list. Once the document is open on your screen, you're ready for the next step. Now look to the top left corner of the Google Docs window and click on File. This opens the main file menu, where you'll find several options related to your document, including sharing, downloading, version history, and document information. If you're using a smaller screen or zoomed-in browser view, take a moment to make sure the full top menu is visible so you can easily find File. After clicking File, move down the menu and select Details. This is the option that shows extra information about the document itself. Once you click it, a panel will appear with file information, including the document's creation date. This is where Google Docs displays key metadata, so you can quickly confirm when the file was originally created. That's all you need to do. Open the document, click File, and then click Details to view the creation date. A quick tip while you're here: the details section may also show other useful information about the file, depending on your Google Workspace setup, so it can be worth taking a look around if you want more context about the document. Also, keep in mind that you need to be viewing the correct file, especially if there are duplicates or copied versions of the same document in your drive. A copied document may have a different creation date from the original. If the option looks slightly different on your screen, that can happen because Google sometimes updates its interface, but the general path is still the same. Open your document, go to File, and check Details. And that's how to check the creation date of a Google Doc quickly and easily.